Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanim Alfulaila. My ID number is T 2019 6095. I would like to mention a feature of consonant, vowel, and diphthong in one word. For example, in sound for a consonant, as in the word money. Money pronounced with sound a for a short vowels, and n for a consonant sound, and I for a short vowels. Another example is make pronounced with sounds, a for a diphthong sound, and I together make a for a diphthong sound, and k for a consonant sound. Next, I want to give an example for n sounds in a consonant, as in the word now, pronounced with n sound, and ew sound for a diphthong, and u together make ew sounds, now. Another example is knit pronounced with n sound, e long vowel for e sounds, and d for a. Next example is b sound. B is in the word boy pronounced with b sound, and oi o I together make sound oi. It is a diphthong sound, boy. And the next example is, the last example is day, pronounced with the consonant. It is a consonant sounds, and a for a diphthong sound, and I together make sound a. That's all. Thank you.